Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom for everyone. We are from the PBRKS 412 Group Engineer, CM Development and Game-Based Security Operational Center or SOC Simulation Blue Team. Here is our project manager, Mr. Agus Fatullah. Here there is our team, among others, myself, Raihan Yanja, Trisisno Hiro Desti Adit, Hasbi Hakim, and Aki Asfik Ramadan. This project includes construction of an CM integrated CM system to collect, monitor, and analyze security data from multimedia sources. Game-based SOC simulation for Blue Team to monitor and respond to security threats. Informed cyber attack detection, response and mitigation to target cyber defense capability. This is topology implementation and security data segment network using VLAN, VPSense, and remote access VPN. Number 1. User access comes from external network VPSense acting as for router firewall. Number 2. Traffic in monitor based not as network IDS to detect malicious activity. Number 3. The request forward to reverse proxy project by mode security or web application firewall. Number 4. The reverse proxy forward request to web server which implements TLS encryption. Number 5. The web server connect to MySQL database in data is regularly backup to Google Drive. Number 6. Monitor an in-CAD response system including Wajoo for CM, Discord for alert notification, Grafana for visualization, Trace intelligent feeds, Cortex and the Hive for incident analysis and responsive. Number 7. Zero Tier VPS is used to allow remote access.
I will explain about CM. Here we use Wazoo, Grafana, The Hive, and Cortex. We have added against namely web server, database server, and proxy server, and use Grafana for attack visualization. Next, we use the Hive to execute the attack and it will be forwarded to the Cortex for malware analysis.
Network security. For the router firewall, we are using pfSense to control. Network security. For the router firewall, we are using pfSense to manage the firewall rules and VLAN to control the network segment. Next, we integrated Snort as intrusion detection system to inspect the network traffic in the internet layer, allowing us to detect and block any malicious activities such as IP spoofing and port scanning.
The next project output is a web application. Here, we are creating an e-commerce based web application for buying and selling clothing. On the left is a view of our main page with the slogan, "Get ready with the new collection." On the right is the product page. If we scroll down on web application, we find product page. This page displays product photos and price for types of clothing we sell. Next is the proxy server. We use a proxy server as an intermediary for user requests to access the source from other server. On the left is server hardening on the proxy using fail2ban to restrict access for users who repeatedly make invalid requests. On the right is the content of our configuration that connects the web server to proxy server. Next is the web server. Here, we use Nginx as the web server. On the left is the certificate we created to secure private and intergovernmental communication. The right is the result of the certificate we create and declare valid. Next.
In this section, I will explain about database. On the left, we show our live database server. You can see our application database, Bagisto, is active and running. On the right, we showcase our database backup system. We use a tool called AirClone to automatically create a backup. This backup file is then secure uploaded to Google Drive. The final file in Google Drive proves our data is safely backup offsite, ensuring we have a strong disaster recovery plan. Next.
To assess vulnerabilities, we use Nessus to scan our network and web application vulnerabilities. It shows here that our network and web application is secure. We also attempt on penetration testing by using tools like Nmap and Nessus exploit modules, but Snort successfully blocked this attack before reaching the internal service. Finally, we simulate SQL injection and XSS attacks on the web application, which were blocked by the web application firewall security that were integrated in the proxy server.
This our project progress 100%. Here's a logbook. The project began with scenario planning followed by analyzing system requirements and logs. The team then designed the dashboard and infrastructure. The implementation phase include VLAN and configuration, firewall configuration, Wazoo integration, and attack simulation. The project conducted with evaluation, reporting, and preparation of a final presentation. Project constraint: lack of RAM capacity so that some tools cannot be created. LAN connection often goes down. Solution: using efficient memory on machine. Manually fix connection on lab. Job of member or leader. Job desk design and create web application. Kiasa installing and configuration Wazoo, Grafana, The Hive, Cortex, Pentest. Aditya set up, run, and maintain application server. Hasbi setting up the primary database, backup database, and WAF configuration. ST compile and create reports and documentation. Nohiro network configuration and IDS or IPS VPN implementation and pentest. Thank you.